Hello and welcome to Common Errors in Machine Embroidery. In this one-part video series, you'll learn how to easily correct the common error messages you may be receiving on your embroidery machine. We will cover the following: how to correct a no-needle error or color change error, how to correct a main axis error or main axis is not at 100 degrees error, how to correct a thread break, what to do when the bobbin runs out, how to correct a needle break, and how to correct an emergency stop error. Let's start with part 1, how to correct a no-needle error or color change error. A no-needle error means the machine is unable to detect which needle is over the needle plate. To fix this error, first clear the error message by pressing OK. Locate the red knob on the right side of the machine's head. Then turn the knob very slowly until there is a number from 1 to 15 on the needle switch display. Let's continue with part 2. How to correct a main axis error or main axis is not at 100 degrees error. The machine needs to be aligned to 100 degrees in order to operate properly. A main axis not at 100 degrees error means the main axis is not lined up to 100 degrees, which is the proper position for the machine to start and stop sewing. This error can be caused if a needle hits the hoop, if you get a bird's nest, and other reasons. If you get this error, clear the message by pressing OK. Then, make sure there is a working needle from 1 to 15 displayed on the icon. Now turn off the machine. On the left side of your machine, you will find 2 small openings. On one, you will see the degree the machine is aligned to. On the other one, you'll find an Allen head screw. Place the Allen wrench into the Allen head screw and rotate it counterclockwise until the number displays 100 degrees again. Now you can turn on the machine. When the panel shows the main menu screen, press the 100-degree button on your panel. Now the machine will be ready to embroider. Next, let's go over part 3, how to correct a thread break. If a thread break occurs, the machine will stop automatically, and a message on the Stitch Float Mode icon will appear. This icon is located on the first row in the 4th column and will display the message T-break. If this happens, you can rewind your design by pressing the Stop button. Once you have reached the desired location, you can press the Stop button again. Then rethread the needle. Last, locate the reset switch on your machine's head and pull down and up. Now you can press Start and your machine will resume where it left off. Next, we're going to walk you through part 4, what to do when the bobbin runs out. If the bobbin thread runs out, the machine will stop automatically and a message on the Stitch Float Mode icon will appear. This icon is located on the first row in the 4th column and will display the message T-break. The same message appears when experiencing a thread break. To differentiate a thread break from the bobbin running out, take a look at the thread from the working needle. If it's still attached to the fabric, it means the bobbin ran out of thread or there is an issue with the bobbin thread. To correct this, remove the bobbin from the bobbin case, replace it with a new bobbin, and then place the bobbin case back inside the rotary hook. Next, you should rewind your design. For instructions on how to rewind a job, refer to our video, How to Forward and Rewind an Embroidery Job. Let's continue with part 5, how to correct a needle break. Needles sometimes break when they wear out from embroidering on tough materials. Caps, for example, are made from a thick material that sometimes causes needles to break. If a needle break occurs, first remove the needle excess if it is still attached to the garment. Using tweezers may help. Next, use a screwdriver to loosen the screw in order to release the broken needle. Insert a new needle, making sure the groove and the needle's eye are facing completely forward. Once it's in the correct position, tighten the screw. If needed, rethread the missing path. You may now continue embroidering. Let's conclude with part 6, how to correct an emergency stop error. An emergency stop error is caused when the emergency stop switch has been pushed, usually during shipping or in an emergency situation. If a dialog box reading emergency stop appears on the screen, resolve this issue by rotating the emergency stop button clockwise, following the direction of the arrows on the button. Thank you for watching Common Errors in Machine Embroidery. In the next video series, Cap Embroidery, we will cover how to set up the machine for cap embroidery. If you like what you see, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information and tips.